Hey there, ever feel like your business communication could use a little spark? Well, I've got something that might help. The Presentation Pulse Scorecard, a quick, insightful quiz designed to unlock how your communication is performing and where it could shine even brighter. Let me break it down for you. Here's how it works. The quiz is made up of a series of carefully crafted questions that dive into key areas of communication: strategy, clarity, creativity, and impact. So it's not about ticking boxes. It's about getting you thinking and reflecting on what's really working and what might not be. And the best part, it only takes 2 minutes to complete. Yes, just 2 minutes. It's quick, it's painless, and packed with value. So what's in it for you? By the end of the quiz, you'll get a personalized report with actionable insights. So think of it as your communication performance snapshot. It'll help you pinpoint areas where you're doing great and others where a little nudge could make the world of difference. And who doesn't love a good nudge? So we created this quiz because we've seen so many businesses struggle with the same thing: clarity. So whether you're doing a pitch, a presentation, or even just team alignment, communication is often the make or break factor. I wanted to create a simple, effective tool that anyone could use to start improving immediately. So why not give it a try? It's free, it's fast, and you might just discover something that changes the way you think about your communication. So the link is right here. Go on, your 2-minute breakthrough is waiting for you.